Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Sherpa Collaborative, and they're looking for a digital media buyer. It pays from $65,000 per year to $85,000 per year. Sherpa is a rapidly growing boutique private equity and business service firm. We specialize in working directly with business owners and entrepreneurs to assist with all aspects of early stage growth. Our portfolio comprises businesses within a variety of industries, including consumer products, influencer management, and software. We're a largely virtual team with locations in Raleigh, North Carolina, and Pinehurst, North Carolina. Sherpa is looking for a digital marketing professional who possesses the ability to independently execute planned digital marketing strategies at a task level. The primary areas of focus are social and search advertising. This is an entrepreneurial position with lots of opportunity for growth. Efforts will be spread across multiple brands and will require a high level of organization and accountability. Daily procedure will include working directly with Sherpa founders, managers, brands, and clients. That means we need clever, talented people with a good sense of humor and awesome communication skills. Compensation: paid in 24 equal installments on the 1st and 15th of each month. Other perks: MacBook computer. We have an unlimited PTO policy, a flexible working schedule. The start date will be July 1st, 2022 or earliest option. 40 to 50 hours per week. We offer a modified flexible schedule with expected availability from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. We offer the availability to work remotely from our offices or from our offices in Raleigh. Responsibilities: the primary role for this position is to assist in the development and lead the execution of ongoing digital advertising campaigns for Sherpa's portfolio and client brands. Specific efforts will include and not prioritized or weighted to advertising campaign creation and management on multiple platforms, including Facebook and Instagram, Google Search and Display, Google Analytics, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, other cross-marketing efforts, account setup and tracking setup, campaign performance reporting, creating and analyzing client reports and data, competition insights and strategies. In addition to executing the above, this individual will often be responsible for accurately setting production and delivery expectation clients and Sherpa team members, as well as maintaining accountabilities from third-party vendors. Applicant requirements: 1 to 2 years experience in paid search, SEM, social media advertising experience with strong capabilities in setting strategic and managing campaign for both small businesses and enterprise level clients. 3+ years of experience in marketing agency experience is a plus. Exceptional written and verbal communication skills, strong relationship management skills and comfortable speaking to clients, solid collaboration skills and attention to detail, strong client relationship abilities, flexible and open to wearing multiple hats, exceptional knowledge and skill in the use of industry tools and platforms, excellent written and verbal communication, upbeat and positive attitude with a desire to learn, presentation skills, highly organized and accountable for deadlines, preferred but not required Google Analytics qualification, Google Ads certifications, Meta certifications, photography and graphic design experience are preferred but not required, experience with business pages and paid social content on media channels. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, this job is full-time, pays from $65,000 to $85,000 per year. It has a flexible schedule and paid time off from Monday through Friday, and includes bonus pay as supplemental pay. Education required a bachelor's degree and 2 years of marketing are required as an experience. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right below in the description so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. In order to keep up and be one of the first notified, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first ones and you can find the best remote work from home job just for you on this channel. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.